Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about prior and next method in Pl Sql collection. Okay, so these two are very important and very easy to learn. Alright, so let's get started. So both these functions takes an index of the collection as input and return the result. Okay. For example, Pl Sql collection method prior takes an index as input and return the value stored in the previous lowest connection index. Okay, so in case of prior, actually it returns previous lowest index, whereas the collection method next returns in the value from the next higher index. As the definition is clear from this word itself, prior means it is going to take previous lowest index value, and next means it is going to take next higher index. Okay, so here I'll be explaining you two examples. One is for prior, another one is for next actually. So these examples will help us to understand about the prior and next method in better way. Okay, so what I've done here in this example, the first example, I've declared a type. This type is of my nested table type, and this is going to store number type of elements in the variable. So I have declared the type first, then I have declared a variable of this type. Okay, and here I have declared some value as well: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on. So after declaring these two things, what I've done here in begin section, I'm just taking output from these two from the input somehow like this. If you can see, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, this is a string what I'm printing simply, and this is a prior method p underscore nt, the name of this variable. Let me minimize it a little bit. Yeah, so v underscore nt, this variable dot prior, and here I'm giving index value as 3. Okay, so if you'll count from here, this is index value 1, this is index value 2, this is index value 3. Okay, so prior to index value 3, so we will get value as 2. Prior to index value 3, we have index value 2. Okay, so here we'll get output as 2. And what about this thing here? What I've done, I got the index value. Now I'm getting the value of that index actually. Okay, value placed at that index, the respective value of that index. So at value at the index value 2, we have element as 6, so at this place we will get value as 6. Okay, so this is what I have written here. Let me copy this code and one sec, yeah, and paste in our SQL workshop here. Control V. Now run this code. So as you can see, index before third index is 2. Alright, so as we have taken prior 3, so it is taking the prior index and the value of that index, the respective value associated with that index is 6. Okay, so hope this example is clear to you. Let me show you another example here. So the second example, I just have explained here about the next method. Okay, so in our declaration section, I have done the same thing. I have declared a type first, which is going to hold number type of elements, and then I have declared a variable of this type, and I have declared some variable here, same as the last example, this example. Okay, now under using this dbms underscore output package, I'm going to take output from text from next method. Okay, how I have done that: v underscore nt, the variable name, dot next, and the index value. Okay, so at index value 3, so after index value 3 we will get index value 4. Okay, and so the output of this line will be 4, and the output of this line will be, as we are getting index value 4, so at index value 4, what is the element? So 12 is the element associated with index value 4. Okay, so this is how we this next method worked. So let me copy this code, Control C, and paste in our SQL workshop. Run this code. Yeah, so at after third index, we have index value as 4, and at index value 4 we have element as, or value as, 12. Hope this example is clear to you, and hope the concept of prior and next is clear to you. For any confusion or doubt, let me know in comment box. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.